Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. One of the most prevalent and dangerous threats is phishing. This deceptive practice preys on human trust and curiosity. This insidious tactic tricks users into giving up sensitive information, such as passwords and credit card numbers, by masquerading as a legitimate entity. It's like a wolf in sheep's clothing, appearing harmless but with malicious intent. Staying vigilant and skeptical of unexpected communications can help protect against these threats. Phishing attacks are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Gone are the days of easily spotted, poorly written emails. Today's phishing attacks are carefully crafted. They often impersonate trusted brands and individuals. They prey on our trust and our human tendency to make mistakes. But there's a way to fight back ethical phishing. This involves simulating real-world phishing attacks in a controlled environment. By doing so, organizations can educate their employees about the dangers of phishing. They can test their security measures and identify vulnerabilities before real attackers exploit them. Ethical phishing is an essential tool in the fight against cybercrime. It's about turning the tables on the attackers and using their tactics to strengthen our defenses. Numerous tools are available for ethical phishing. One such tool is Zphisher. It is a powerful open-source phishing framework. Zphisher simplifies the process of creating and launching realistic phishing simulations. Zphisher boasts an impressive array of features. These include a wide range of phishing templates, credential harvesting capabilities, and detailed reporting. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to both beginners and experienced security professionals. With Zphisher, you can tailor your phishing campaigns to your specific needs. This allows you to assess your organization's susceptibility to various phishing techniques. Let's walk through the installation process of Zphisher on Kali Linux 2025. This guide will help you set up Zphisher, a powerful phishing tool, in a few simple steps. Whether you're a seasoned hacker or a beginner, this tutorial is designed to be easy to follow. It is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. By the end of this guide, you'll have Zphisher up and running, ready to create phishing simulations. 1. Open your Kali Linux 2025 terminal. This is the first step in our journey. The terminal is your gateway to the powerful commands that will bring Zphisher to life on your system. This is your command center for interacting with your system. 2. Update your system. Keeping your system updated ensures that you have the latest security patches and software versions. Type and press Enter. This command will fetch the latest updates from the repositories and install them on your system. This ensures that your system is running the latest software versions. 3. Install Git. Git is an essential tool for downloading and managing the Zphisher source code. Type and press Enter. This command will install Git on your system, allowing you to clone repositories from GitHub. Git is a version control system that allows you to download and manage Zphisher's source code. With Git installed, you're ready to move on to the next step. 4. Clone the Zphisher repository. This step involves downloading the Zphisher files from GitHub to your local system. Type and press Enter. This command will clone the Zphisher repository to your system, making the files available for installation. This downloads the Zphisher files to your system. 5. Navigate to the Zphisher directory. This step sets the Zphisher directory as your working directory. Type and press Enter. This command will change your current directory to the Zphisher directory where the installation script is located. This sets the Zphisher directory as your working directory. 6. Run the Zphisher installation script. This is the final step in the installation process. Type and press Enter. This command will execute the installation script, setting up Zphisher on your system. This initiates the installation process, which may take a few moments. The script will configure Zphisher and install any necessary dependencies. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Zphisher on your Kali Linux 2025 system. Now you can start using Zphisher to create phishing simulations and test your security measures. You're now ready to start crafting your own phishing simulations. With Zphisher, you can simulate various phishing attacks and improve your cybersecurity skills. Remember, always use Zphisher responsibly and ethically. Happy phishing? Section 5. Crafting your phishing campaign, baiting the hook. Designing an effective phishing campaign requires careful planning and execution. The goal is to create a believable scenario that entices users to take the bait. Start by selecting a relevant template. Zphisher offers a diverse selection, including templates for popular social media platforms, email providers, and financial institutions. Customize the template to match your target audience. Use convincing language and imagery that aligns with the impersonated brand. Remember, the more realistic your campaign, the more effective it will be in revealing vulnerabilities and educating your users. Section 6. Launching your phishing simulation with Zphisher. With your phishing campaign meticulously crafted, it's time to deploy your simulation. Zphisher provides a user-friendly interface to guide you through this process. Select your desired attack vector, be it email, SMS, or a cloned website. Configure the landing page that your targets will be directed to. This is where you'll capture any credentials they unwittingly provide. Launch your campaign and monitor its progress. Zphisher provides real-time statistics, allowing you to track the campaign's effectiveness. Section 7. Analyzing the results. Learning from the simulation. Once your phishing simulation concludes, it's time to delve into the results. Zphisher provides detailed reports that offer valuable insights into your organization's security posture. Analyze the number of users who clicked on phishing links, submitted credentials, or downloaded malicious files. Identify patterns and trends that emerge from the data. This information is crucial for tailoring your security awareness training programs. Remember, the goal is not to shame or punish users, but to foster a culture of security awareness. Section 8. New Horizons in Kali Linux 2025. Bolstering your ethical hacking arsenal. Kali Linux 2025 introduces a suite of new features and enhancements that empower ethical hackers in their pursuit of a safer digital world. The latest iteration of this penetration testing powerhouse boasts an updated kernel, improved hardware support, and a refined user experience. One notable addition is Kali Autopilot, an automation framework that streamlines repetitive penetration testing tasks. This allows ethical hackers to focus on more complex attack scenarios and vulnerability analysis. These new features solidify Kali Linux 2025's position as the go-to platform for ethical hackers and security professionals worldwide. Section 9. The power of ethical hacking. Fortifying our digital defenses. In an era defined by ever-evolving cyber threats, ethical hacking stands as a beacon of proactive defense. These professionals, often referred to as white hat hackers, use their skills to protect rather than to exploit. They are the unsung heroes of the digital world, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep our data safe. By embracing the tactics and tools of malicious actors, ethical hackers play a pivotal role in identifying and mitigating vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. Their work involves simulating attacks to uncover weaknesses in systems, networks, and applications. This proactive approach allows organizations to address potential threats before they become real issues. Their work is instrumental in strengthening our digital defenses, safeguarding sensitive information, and fostering a more secure online environment for everyone. Ethical hackers collaborate with businesses, governments, and other entities to ensure that security measures are robust and up-to-date. As we navigate the complexities of the digital age, ethical hacking will continue to be an indispensable tool in our collective fight against cybercrime. The landscape of cyber threats is constantly changing, and ethical hackers must stay ahead of the curve by continuously updating their knowledge and skills. By understanding the methods employed by attackers, we can build more resilient systems and educate users to be savvy digital citizens. This dual approach of technical fortification and user education is key to creating a safer digital world. Ethical hackers are not just defenders, they are educators, innovators, and the guardians of our digital future.